Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another December daily video. I love this mini series that I've been sharing with you guys this week. And if you guys would like to see the whole December daily series, I'll have it linked in the description box along with a blog post that will have links and all things December daily in general. So be sure to check that out. But this video is about my December daily that I actually put together. So I've shared with you guys my December daily stash. I shared with you guys the new stuff that I got, which is a part of the impromptu giveaway. So I will have that video linked for you guys to enter. That is my December daily Christmas haul for you guys to enter that. And it's 2 winners. So head on over to that video if you haven't entered that giveaway already. And then the other video was flipping through my December dailies in the past. So that is actually one of the reasons why I wanted to create this. It's a junk journal in a sense. I wanted to create it ahead of time so that I wasn't trying to sit down and figure out, well, what's going on this day and what's going on that day. While this is not completely set up as far as embellishments that I would want to add and other memories throughout the month, the basics is there. And that is what I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys in this video. So the basics of the planner, this cover here, this clear cover, is actually a Dollar Tree chopping mat. I've talked about Dollar Tree chopping mat for years now on my channel. I got the idea from Coupon to Provide, and I have made covers for my Happy Planner using it, and I just always gravitate back to it because it's so durable, but it's also cost effective. And if you want to do a junk journal and you don't have like a laminator or something, having this chopping mat gives you the durability that you need, and then you can put your other scrapbook paper within your notebook system that you're creating. So I went ahead and did discs. Another thing that you could do if you don't have discs is that you can use binder rings, which you can purchase at the Dollar Tree as well. But I had these discs already in my stash, and these are ARC discs. So that's that. And ARC discs are also pretty inexpensive. I will have those linked for you guys to check out the pricing as well. But the pricing is pretty inexpensive for the discs. This was actually from Hobby Lobby, and I put this sticker here, Season's Greetings from Hobby Lobby. I did a little bit different. If you guys would like to see what I've done in the past, I'll have that again linked in the description box, my flipping through my December dailies of years past. So then I have a lot of dashboards inside of here, and I decided to go and do layering with the scrapbook paper that I had, and all of those Christmas packs that I shared in my December daily stash. I tried to use as much as those, so it's a lot going on in here, but the theme is really traditional Christmas, which I love. I love the plaid and the green and I just love traditional Christmas. I love people that also take the take with glam Christmas, but for me, like, I don't know, call me cheesy, but I love plaid. I really love the whole flannel look and just the outdoors feel that you get with it too. So that's the theme that I went with this. So here we have, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then this is one of those die cuts from Hobby Lobby. This is just regular paper that I went and just layered some stuff on there. And then we get into the days. So I decided to go ahead and for every 4 days, I put a dashboard. So here's days 1 through 4. And these numbers are from Hobby Lobby. And the washi tape I had in my stash, I think it might have been from Target. I don't remember. I've had the washi tape for a while, but I kind of just did each of the 4 pages have a theme in themselves. This is actually Happy Planner paper. I used that for the first 8 days, and then I switched over to regular cardstock. So here's day 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then here's a dashboard, and this is from one of those ephemera packs that I had, and I just layered some more of that paper. So plaid on plaid. I really do like the different the different designs of the plaid. And also, to make this thicker, I glued two of the, I took the scrapbook paper and folded it in half and glued it. So it made it much thicker. Then on this side, it says Naughty or Nice, and one of the ephemera packs had a little frame. So this will be cute to put a picture inside. Then we move on to days 5 through 8. So again, keeping along with a different theme, I stuck with some more plaid washi tape. Here's another one of those frames. I just didn't put the inside in there. Then another dashboard, more layering. And this is something that I would decorate throughout the month when I felt like it. And then this is 9 through 12, and I can see that my sticker is a little crooked here, so let me straighten that out. And this hashtag sticker is one of the stickers one of the sticker sheets I'm giving away, which I love. But this foil washi tape, this is still not straight. I put it on the same exact way. Wow, Lakia. But this foil washi tape is actually from Target. So cool. So I did that in the corner, and then over here on birthdays, my mom's birthday was December 10th, my sister's the 16th, my other sister's the 18th, a friend on the 19th. So for those days, I did go ahead and dress up the pages a little bit more. So my mom's birthday, I just took this little piece here and I put, this was actually from a paper pad, and it just tied in the little woodsy theme that I had going on here. And I used more of those hashtag stickers. Some you can see better than others. I'd have to like lift it to see it, but I don't mind it. This is one of my favorite dashboards, and this is actually one that I want to add a ribbon to. I just haven't decided which one, but this is a tag, and this is a great way to use those tags that you have. I included a few tags in the giveaway just to show that, you know, what you have in your stash, you can decorate. Like, don't be discouraged by what you see on the internet of why you can't, you know, dress up your pages because you don't feel like you have enough. Use your resources. If you don't have scrapbook paper, I'm pretty sure you might have wrapping paper, and you can use all kinds of things from gift tags to, and gift tags are really inexpensive at Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree is a great place to go. And also the little gift card holders, you can use those as little pockets, and it's a lot that you can do for a low price. You don't have to have a whole bunch of dough to create a December daily. And I love the junk journal aspect of it. Now this right here is silver tape, and the silver washi tape, similar to this red one that I got from Target, and this was very sheer tape that says ho ho ho. So I just decided to go ahead and layer it on there, and it turned out really cute. And this one, it just has a little wish list. This is actually a Happy Planner sticker. And then on the back here, another Happy Planner sticker, and it just says holiday memories. This I might pop like a little photo on here or something. I'm not sure yet. This was actually from a piece of scrapbook paper, and I just cut the card out and used it. Then I have another one of those hashtag stickers. I layered some of the different types of tape. So one great thing about the junk journal is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun. Layer as much as you want. This is scrapbook paper that I layered. So for the 14th and 15th, I just put on regular white cardstock. I just put some more of this. And if I want to write on here and I don't have enough space, I can always pop on a clear white label. And then here I popped in a Christmas card. So even if I wrote here, like just put a sticker, I can also write more here and date it. So this is actually just a Christmas card. It came in a pack of 8 from Dollar Tree, and it just goes with my theme. I like it a lot. And then I also like just popping this in the middle of here as well. Then here's the 16th, which is my sister's birthday. This is a Happy Planner colorful box sticker, so I used some of those. And then this dashboard is actually that scrapbook paper that I told you that I folded, but then I cut strips of another piece of scrapbook paper and just layered more on there. And I like the ripped look, and then I also like this more seamless look here. And then this hashtag TGIC, thank God it's Christmas. And then the 17th, the 18th, and the 19th. Then the 20th. Then we have this dashboard here, which is, I like this little tag here. That was from the ephemera pack. And it says, be merry. And then I did do a little bit of layering on here with some black and white. This is more flannel to me than anything. And then just some shopping related ones. So a gift, out for delivery. And then on this side, mailing service, signed, sealed, delivered, rain, sleet, or snow, and then delivering Christmas cheer. So that was cute. And if I want to pop pictures on here, I can do that too. Then the 21st through the 24th, I just went ahead and used some of that green tape here, and then the no peeking washi tape I've had for a while. And then this one here, the 25th, this is Merry Christmas. Wouldn't know what I would put here. I could also just leave it as is. And then this is Christmas Day. And then on the back, if I don't put anything, I could write underneath here, or I could just put Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and just leave this little card as is. And then here is the back. So I did make the front and back cover the same. I wanted it to be the same print just to give it a more cohesive look. And then also, I had these numbers at first switching off in between the corners, but moving them around, putting one here, it just really helped when I closed it for it to be spaced out, evenly distributed, I should say, between the top and the bottom, and not just on one particular side. So overall, I absolutely love this. I will be doing a completed flip once this is all filled in with all the extra goodies, but I really do like the idea of getting this together ahead of time. And I got the idea from Pasha, Posh Plans on Instagram. I talk about her all the time here on my channel, but I love sharing with you guys people that inspire me. And I just like the idea of having this pre-prepared, because in years past, I have failed because it just wasn't put together and I felt like I wasn't doing anything. With this junk journal, even though on a particular day it's numbered, you don't have to sit down and actually write something. You can post a picture, you can post something that inspired you, you can put a quote. For me, during this time of year, I love to add in scriptures. You can put a recipe. You put what inspires you for that day, what stood out to you that day, and it doesn't have to be a whole entire letter, because sometimes we get so intimidated by the surface and what it is that we're working with that we lose sight of what it is. It's just having fun. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, be resourceful with what you have. That is with planning in general. Do not be blindsided. The best thing that I could tell you guys going into the new year when it comes to any craft project you're working on, I do a lot of crafts throughout the year, and any planner that you have, just go for it. Just use it. It does not have to be perfect. The whole purpose is, when it comes to a planner, is for you to crush your goals and accomplish what you set out to do. And then when it comes to this type of thing like a junk journal, have fun. Don't stress yourself out about it. It's meant to be an outlet, a creative outlet. You take the fun out of it when you stress yourself out over, oh, this isn't straight, or this doesn't look as good as this. Sometimes there's some pages that I like in here more than others. I don't like every single hashtags thing laid on here, but I'm going to leave it. It's a part of the process. Enjoy the process. Not everything has to be perfect. So I really do stress being resourceful though, because there's a lot of things that you can find at Dollar Tree or even in your own Christmas stash that you're not even using that you can incorporate. And if you guys would like to win some of my favorites, then go ahead and check out the December daily Christmas haul, where I am giving away some of the stuff that I have kind of incorporated inside of here for you to get started with your own December daily. So again, to enter that giveaway, check out that video, which I'll have linked in the description. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any additional questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all things December daily, my related blog posts to all things December daily, plus my Planning for 2020 series, which is all about helping you choose the right planner for you in the new year so you can crush your goals. Also, be sure to check out the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Would love to have you. Click that subscribe button. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys so much for making 2019 one for the books. And I can't wait to have you guys a part of the journey in 2020. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.